Good morning, Year 2. How are you all today? I hope you're ready for your maths lesson. So today we will be moving away from grouping and we will be starting something new. We will be looking at tallies. So we will learn about why we tally, how we draw a tally, and we will practice some of these skills. Let's get started. The first thing I would like to show you is a tally mark, and I'm pretty sure some of you already know this, but for those who need a reminder, a tally mark is made of a vertical line, just like a 1. So every time you're counting, whatever it is you're counting, you will add 1 line. When you hit your 4th line, your next one will be your 5th, but this time you will do a diagonal line, which would look like this. This will equal 5. Now let's give this a go. Can you tell me what number this equals? That's correct. It equals 3. And how about this number? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. It equals 7. So can you use your whiteboards or a piece of paper to draw a tally, not in a chart, just as it is, for the number 8. Once you've done that, can you try number 13? Once you have done that, can you try number 15? You can pause the video now and give that a go. So let's try them together. 8. So that would be 1 tally, 2 tallies, 3 tallies, 4 tallies, 5 tallies, 6 tallies, 7 tallies, and 8. 13. Let's use the same method. So 1 tally, 2 tallies, 3 tallies, 4 tallies, and a diagonal one for our 5th one. So we're going to have to repeat this once again because we have 5 so far. 1 tally, 2 tallies, 3 tallies, 4 tallies, and 5. So what do we have now? We have 5, 10. How many more do we need? That's correct, we need 3 more. 1 tally, 2 tallies, and 3 tallies. Well done, you've done a great job. Now let's try the last one. 1 tally, 2 tallies, 3 tallies, 4 tallies, and 5. Well, let's repeat that again. How many more times do you think we need to repeat this? It's correct, 2 more times. So altogether we have 3 sets of 5 tallies. Well done, you've done great at this. I hope you found that useful and it gave you a good warm-up to tallies. So the question I want to ask you now is, why do we use tallies? Pause the video now and think about why it might be that we use tallies instead of writing out the numbers. That's correct, it's because it's actually so much more quicker. Yep. It takes so much more longer to write out each number But when you're tallying, all you need to do is draw a single line. So an activity you can try right now, if you're at home and you can see the street from your house, you might want to tally the different coloured cars that drive past. You might want to count how many red cars drive past, how many blue cars drive past, and how many white cars drive past. And as they're driving past, because they drive so fast, it will be so much more easier to just draw one line instead of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So give that activity a go. If you haven't got access to, or you can't see any cars from your window, another thing you can do is bird watching. And I know you did that last Friday, so you've got lots of practice on it. So you can go outside, or again, you can look through your window and you can have a look at what kind of birds there are. Pick a couple of them, maybe 2 or 3, and count how many you see of them. And again, every time you see them, you can draw a line, because birds can be really fast while they're flying around. Before you do that activity, I just want to show you the difference in how long it takes to write down each digit compared to how long it takes drawing each tally. So I'm going to set my timer now, and I'm going to write the numbers 1 to 10. Let's see how long that takes us. So I'm going to set my timer now, and I'm going to write the numbers 1 to 15. Let's see how long that's going to take us. And I'm starting it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop my timer, and that tells me it is 31 seconds. Now let's try this as a tally. So again, I'm going to do 15 tally marks. So I'm going to reset my timer now, and I am starting it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15. I've just stopped my stopwatch, and it looks like it's only taken me 12 seconds. Wow, that's a big difference, isn't it? Now, why don't you give it a go? What I would like you to do is use a timer, or you can ask someone to count for you. And I want you to count, I want you to write the numbers write the numbers 1, 2, 20. And then I would like you to draw tally marks 1, 2, 20. See how long it takes you to write them compared to how long it takes you to draw them. What I would like you to do now is watch the video that's on today's maths home learning page. Once you've watched that video, I would like you to go onto your worksheet and complete the questions. If you find the questions a bit too easy, why not challenge yourself with the challenge of today. There is a couple on there, so you can choose which one you like to do. And if you need some help on tallies, send us a message or an email and we will try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for listening, and I will see you tomorrow for another maths lesson. Take care, you two. Bye bye.